Go. Hetsu Gucci honorable. She can ride a dick like a carnival. Another day.
Impossible.
Edrin! Even though we're going through it and it makes you feel alone, just know that I would die for you. Baby, I would die for you. Yeah. Oh fuck. If you late, it's all
No! Naman!
Head break lang, please! Oh. Man, you're too fat! Break! Okay. My fucking god, you fat!
Uy, Red, abnoy.
Abno! Gago, ba't di ka nag-break? Shota,
Hiling ka dun eh, no?
ako yung protagonist.
Taray ko. Mag-break ka ka.
Ed, tangina ka.
Dito na nga tayo.
Edrin. Ed, sabi ko mag-break!
Naka-break nga ako.
Abno. Abno, ikaw yung abno, gago.
Never say I love you again. Just say.
Oh! Ayun! Gago, galing natin. Ayun!
Oh! Oh my god.
No!
Wait.
No!
Wait.
Ayun!
Oh!
Checkpoint, gago. Yan lang din si Daran.
Yes!
Easy! Ano kalayo mo to? Uy! Tula ka lang.
Dream team, baby.
We're gonna groom some kids. Dream
What?
team. Dream team tayo, diba? Groom. Groom. I want you in my room, but only if you're 15. Can't have you if you're 18. Groom. May problema!
Oh my god.
Iyo.
Oh my God.
Livable. Never
Oh my
mind.
God,
Oh no! Livable.
Ito. Yan.
Break.
Uy,
Break ka lang.
ayaw nga pala. Sorry.
Bobo!
Winable yan.
Wait lang!
Winable yan. Sabi sa'yo eh. Yes! Tara.
Okay, dump off. Kailangan ko gamitin yung ramp.
Hindi naman nasira eh.
Kang ina mo, sa taba mo na lang yun. Ay, gago! Taba.
Napakahina mo naman.
Ang taba mo, gago. Ayun.
Yan. No! Wait.
No!
Wait. Oh no, wala. Kaya ba? GG. Kaya mo ba iligtas to?
Tago, no! If able to do it once, you can do it twice.
Groom me one time, shame on you.
Groom me one time. Groom me one time.
Shame on you. Groom me twice ka, but the blame on you.
No!
Easy ka lang. Uy, no. Walang daan dito, uy.
Oo. Hey, Joe Perez!
Nagbigti.
Logan Paul! Logan Paul! Logan Paul!
Habit ka ba?
I think there's someone hanging right there.
Break pa ako dyan. Kawawa. Oh my god! Paano ka na? Wait. Oh, yan. Hindi kaya.
Ayun!
Yes!
Break.
Yan.
Full. Hard break.
Heartbreak na nga yan.
Hard break eh. Kumana!
Oh my god.
Ay!
Makapapatid ka na naman, ha?
Hindi, mag-break ka pa rin. Mag-break ka pa rin. Mag-break ka pa rin.
Abot yan,
Bakit?
abot yan, abot yan, abot yan. Tingnan mo yung momentum ko, abot yan.
Yes! Okay, smart. Ako muna. Wait, ikaw pala muna. Oh, sige.
Go, diretso mo na.
Okay. No!
G.
You motherfucker. Fuck.
Sige lang. Isa pa yan. Go. Shit! Zero!
Okay lang yun. Let's go na.
So, last.
Yan ang yan. Jober.
Joba na nga.